Hello, I'm Dr. Shruti Goel. I practice in Delhi. I attended Dr. Bhavdeep Ahuja's customized consent workshop in the month of August. It is a wonderful workshop and I would highly recommend everyone to do it. Why? Because apart from preventing us from medical negligence cases, what it does is it prevents the daily chick that happens in practice. For example, if a patient tells you to save a tooth which cannot be saved, which is very badly decayed, you inform that to the patient. Patient tells doctor साहब जितना time चलता हो चला लीजिए. After an year the tooth has to be removed and then the patient fights with you कि इतना मैंने पैसा spend किया और ये चला भी नहीं, and when you remind the patient they conveniently forget about it. So when you have a customized consent form in which all the consultation inclusions are included, all these things are prevented, and the patient also thinks twice about going for a not recommended treatment plan because they are signing something. So I would highly recommend. It also helps in improving our consultation, and sir really goes beyond beyond what he promises. He certainly over delivers, and he makes sure that whatever he's teaching you are able to implement. He provides a lot of support. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for this workshop.